Chirangimenya senyiga ya Kenya Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisya ebintu biriya bikomanya senyiga ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babwate chirangi cyo bwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chiamache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri burike iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabuno uraganye bwochoganire erangi biga aseduke nyiganya uru superstores na bwokwege na muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na bwigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomenyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke nyigaya uru superstores yero toka se enyumba ya uru complex imiyo chigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simbe trase tunamba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu. Nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Happy Sabbath na inde mwanchi muri ya Getembe TV nigo chiaragire osinigo ya utokire etaike mo igore CHINSA ISANO na IBERE cyabone mugaso iyo munsi ye tariki 25 na IBERE waire biya korwa Getembe TV no kogena goitubona kwa beire goko gwakira na boyo goseseni wa nimero 2 oye kanisa ne monige ya Adventista yare koretwa asemore na mukate Enoch nchingiro wa Catherine NYABOGA Kevin Ongeri koro a studio akonera kwaneke buna chibichana marengo ikirachira senchira yowe karano karansoike tukomanye amaya koro ase MSA EKEONGA aborokia be kiombe gia kupit anemono awago somia Ibrasi biribia JSS gose Junior Secondary School korwa Orogongo Rogusini gobeso kirena barabuo korera eserekali ase baganire Ibrasi ebyo gwetinenera egati yaboroki wabo gokwana nabariki bamangana nigo bairere buna nigo babere bakunirirwa negati yaborokia anemono abo bagosomya Ibrasi ebibinde asabana baburiya serikali gwetira wizara yetsemi koba obosiboro gwetinira barabo boka.
Samson, a teacher from Kisii County. Yeah. Let me give an assessment, a summative assessment of what is going on in our schools, junior schools. Number one, for the last 3 years, capitation has been received, but we have never seen any kind of progress. We have never seen lab equipment in our school. We have never seen Wi-Fi. in our schools.
I'm Madam Zipporah James, a JSS teacher in Kisii County. Speaking on behalf of youth teachers, we are asking for clear career guidelines on career progression. We are asking, as youth teachers in Kisii County, when are we going to grow? When people are being deployed to come and be our administrators, where is our space in junior school?
Gente tanga ni twanyorera ase gusomya kwa primary child teacher chinyinge niko chitachireta abana babakebu na indito gusomi ekito tachiretense ntete to imokimo tugoro lakini kere tu aligereiri egento bagotobuni capitation iri batete go control na ndente bye kiombe geto kianat umurikyo bo monene igoro na kwanita mangana agechetia abarimu ba junior kerato diminity ari asamatanga enge ntunto bwati segi na nat we
cannot be told to improvise balls to give students for them to nurture their own skills. Yes. In fact, what we want, capitation to be provided, and then the lab equipment be provided, and also the ball equipment. So we want those teachers working in remote areas to be given enhanced allowance.
Ntuna balimu ba kupe tukurwa secondary ya Kisii etu achirega ko support abalimu baito ba junior school watebanga mbatakeire gwetenera ase ngencho ne group ya Getengani ose school ya Getengani etere gwetenera se bintu byonse atota ya serikali nga support abalimu aba
be serikali yeto ya Kenya etotagete junior school ebe independent ntubu natoreiga nabo tokonyara ko bano echi principal nabo tokonyara ko bachi deputy principal erinde torani chi school.
We don't have to have a lot of friction in place as it is at the moment, because we are fighting in this country and there is no need of us fighting, yet we are teachers. Our interest is the learner. The learner is the one that is suffering down there, yet we have a government in place, a government that is supposed to take the interest of the teacher at heart.
So for the child in the class of CBC to fall into a correct career pathway, autonomy must prevail. For us as junior school teachers to progress in our careers, autonomy must prevail. For junior school teachers to realize the professional growth, autonomy must prevail.
Togos kabosio tusasensemiria ya siasa anemono ritko regrose murayokane bwensi ya Kenya omoske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nigo akwanerete egati ya ariaganeri ase oburai obya gukona ase musangirikano bwekiama gya Jupiri ritko regaro Uhuru nigo agegenderete komocha emegati mirobiro ya serikali anemono asensemiria ya bocheno naboigo amonchurire ayo akorire asensemiria ya bocheno negento keirere okorusi wako murobiro olinda mama.
Taking each in my stride, learning that in politics you can never be led by bitterness, anger, or hate. That only deviates you from your mission and vision. Wale wanataka kuendelea na matusi, hiyo ni shauri yao. That you succeed by looking at past successes, injecting new ideas, and improving upon them. And you fail by ignoring past mistakes and therefore falling folly of repeating the same. This, while always having an open mind and a listening ear, even to those you disagree with, and especially to the voices of our younger generations. For in a world that is ever evolving as fast as it is with such insights that it is then that such insights become crucial for true transformation to occur. A balance of all this is what makes a stable and pragmatic nation, one that is filled with hope and not despair, a nation at peace with itself, and one that is able to transist with ease from one generation to the next. In the last general election, I endeavored to pass this message. Unfortunately, it fell on deaf ears and was lost in the noise of insults, character assassinations, myths and stories of dynasties and hustlers, and so on. Yeah. Today, many of the gains we had in the past have been eroded. Linda Mama and others replaced by new, untried, untested schemes. And while we wait,
Tutigarete senseme ya siasa ni muno kuligereria chinkwana chiaye umurayo y'umukuru kanibwinsi ya Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nigo egati yabarekora serikali besokire na komochia chinkwana chiaye anamono igoro ya chinkwana chiabe atega komochia umuro okurusiwa kumurobero Olinda Mama nigo bono moseneta we county ya Keisho Moske Aaron Cheruiyot tojibo igoro muraibo barabange ase bunge ya Senate mambe yerit korerero hokwana korwa bunge ya Wajia South gotoka county ya Wajia amocha chinkwana echiocha Uhuru asateba nigo murobiro Olinda Mama obe okoretwe amonchere naboyo goteba nigo Uhuru abwanerete gotigana na siasa anaboyo abwati chimbwa chabarai abakoro gatia bo umos Kenya gosira Mwai Kibaki naboyo Daniel Moi abo chinga kibarote ase birogo batagendrete gukwana siasa kurende ase amomocha na goteba ase borayibwaye Uhuru Kenyatta nigo amanki agendrete gosareka egento keire goseke kegerete serikali yabono egendrete kuira na magega ase egendrete gukora munjira na kwene kyabunanko korerere chinsemo echo omoske Uhuru abete kagosare.
Unajua jana kuna mtu alizungumza mpaka mimi nashangaa. Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais utanisamehe kidogo nikisema hii. Lakini nimemuona yule jamaa alikuwa rais wa taifa la Kenya akizungumza. Mimi nikashangaa hii mtu anazungumzia Kenya gani? Kwani sisi hatukukuwa Kenya wakati yeye alikuwa anaongoza? Si Kenya hii ilikuwa imejaa mashida kweli kweli? Anatuambia ati sijui Linda Mama ilikuwa inafanya nini? Kama wewe ulilinda mama wale wajawazito na wale wamama wana mimba walikuwa nawaachia nani alinde hao? Wale vijana ambao hawaendi maternity ulikuwa nawaachia nani? Wazee ulikuwa nawaachia nani? Ndio maana rais ameleta program ya shamba inabeba kila mtu. Wewe na pia tungependa kumwambia Rais Uhuru Kenyatta mstaafu. Wewe kuwa muungwana kama wale rais wengine walipostaafu. Wakati Moi alienda retire, mliwahi msikia akiongea siasa? Wakati Kibaki alienda retire, mlimuona akifanya siasa? Please, President Uhuru Kenyatta retired. Honor the office of the presidency that the people of Kenya once gave you an opportunity to serve in. Do not behave like a cheap politician coming every now and then to criticize the government of the day as if you ran a perfect government. We were here in this country when you were the president and we know the kind of challenges that our country faced. In fact, 3/4 ya mashida ile tunatatua siku ya leo ililetwa na uongozi wake mbaya. Alafu unakuja kutuambia maneno gani? Hiyo maneno sisi hapana taka. Kwa hayo mengi na machache na pamoja na wale vibaraka wake wa opposition. Simuliona jana wamegawanyika. Ati wanatuambia United Opposition na pande hii Martha Karua sijui na nani wako na mkutano yao. Pande ile ingine Uhuru wako na yake. Sasa kama wameshindwa kuendesha upinzani, serikali wataweza? Si ni watu bure kabisa. Hiyo watu watawezana na William Ruto kweli?
Na tutigarete ase bunge yo ya Wajia South gotoka county ya Wajia as abwa somo konyi muraibense Professor Pram Kithra Kindiki ara umurobero empowerment imambia jeri tukore rero ase chinkwana chiaye nigo ararekanaga kwegerera umurobero bobo bwenya ase boigo gwetra chinkwana chiaye nigo ararokana ga kogorora umurai osechinkwana cy'umurai yokane umuske Uhuru Kenyatta ase kindiki ateba umurobiro yolinda mama nigo roro korende serikali insi y'uburai waye Dr. Samuel Ruto anemono insi y'umurobiro universal health coverage nigo yabeteke gukora amonchorero ase umurobiro linda mama obete kubwatania abasacha abana naboigo abasubati bari bebwatirante egento kyabeire kose gyatingiri umurobero yukorengana na matuko ali magega,
kwa sababu kuna watu wengi wanaleta mzaha kwa hii maneno ya afya ya umma na wanaongea kiholela na wataki kusema ya kwamba hapo mbeleni hatuja kuwa na msingi thabiti wa afya. Sisi tunashukuru yale ambayo yalifanywa na serikali za zamani. Ile mambo Rais William Ruto saa ile alikuwa deputy president walianzisha na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, wakaanzisha mradi wa Linda Mama. Sasa hii program mpya haimaanishi ya kwamba hatuko katika ile program ya kusaidia akina mama wajawazito kupitia Linda Mama. Tumeboresha hiyo Linda Mama, imekuwa hata kubwa zaidi. Sio mama pekee tunalinda. Hapo nyuma wakati wa serikali ambayo imepita tulikuwa tunalinda mama pekee. Sasa hivi tunalinda mama, tunalinda mzee, tunalinda kijana, tunalinda mtoto, tunalinda jamii. Na kwa sababu Rais Ruto ameendelea kuboresha mfumo wa afya ili kulinda sio akina mama peke yao, lakini kulinda jamii nzima, kulinda mama, kulinda mzee, kulinda kijana, kulinda mtoto, tunasema Rais Ruto ni fire. Ni fire si fire. Ni noma si noma. Ni tutam si tutam. Ni mbwekse si mbwekse. Ni mbwekse si mbwekse. Wacha nione tutam ya William Ruto jameni. So those who are correcting us must correct us with facts. Tusilete maneno ambaye hayana ukweli. Those correcting this government, those that want this government to perform better must correct us with facts. We are open to correction. We are open to improvement. But the correction must come with facts. Initially, the Linda Mama program was only concentrating on the health of pregnant women. Today, under SHA, the universal health care is protecting the pregnant woman, the mother, but also protecting the child, protecting young people, protecting the men. It is protecting the entire family, from Linda Mama to Linda Jamii. Na tunasema kwa hiyo Rais Ruto aendelee.
Chauta kirechta ikomina isano na moi guru CHINSA isano na IBERE chabono mobaso wancha murigerera nara yokorogeta sinikia Getembe TV anamuno EKEONGA CHINSA isano na IBERE asinchira ere yo wenye ayo amana yande ninjo koretera chikoraga CHINSA ikomutwara burigerera borobye nchenkathira NYABOGA Kevin Ongeri koro studio kabiri gakoneka muna chimichechi na marengo ikirachira asinchira yo wikira.
Superstores Nero eduka asorbo gurgarwa South Nyanza yanche amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuja bwatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura achabwirigiria amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yetu nigo enkale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokie giso yao chingaki ogoswasaga kurigiria amabati yiga ntubwate timu tembo abo babakolemirano ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho teberie kende gensi uragania bagoteberie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuiga babwate chiproval net gauges au na mono babwate normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaye chigech emerungebire babwate tile provals alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na guna versatile mat MRM nikobwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design obwate igani kabwate chikala buna bono lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabati iga nikobo kolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochkunyara kabogo tumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyara kabogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakwaburu kasule asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex muri muchingo busongo iyo rangene duka Safaricom wigo ngutuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singwetra sete namba chapa 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'imyaka